wonderful people. So we have some news today. I thought I'd show you my mug. Look at Tigger with his coffee. Wired for another day. Just about right. Still suffering a little bit with my tooth that I've had to have out. It's been really painful. But some news. We've got big news today for us as a family regarding Disneyland Paris, and big news for a lot of people that travel with a disabled child, disabled person. I know that I was told yesterday that it has put a lot of people off not going to Disneyland Paris because of this. So it's really exciting news. So basically in the main park, I'm not sure about the Studios park yet, but the main park does have a new accessible toilet. So they've got a changing bed in there, a toilet in there, a sink in there. They have got a mobile hoist in there. It's a game changer for so many families, so many people. Anyone that needs just that extra little bit of help or is in pads and needs changing. It's honestly made me cry when I found this out. I found this out 2 days ago. This is the soonest I've been really able to talk properly to be able to do the vlog. I've got pictures that I'm allowed to share with you that I've got approval for. Yeah, I will vlog it as well. We will go and we will vlog it. Apparently it is so new. You can smell the paint on the walls. There's a lovely Mickey Mouse picture in there that is still not even hung up. It's just propped against the wall, which I'm sure Disney are getting to, but I've got photos of it literally just, I think, being used for near enough the first time a family asked and they were directed there. So I don't even know if it's officially open. And they were literally allowed to use it. So I think that's absolutely great. And we have wanted one there for such a long time. There hasn't been. I don't want to get into the sorry, Jason just popped in, so I'm not going to get into the diplomacy of it. But I believe that people have asked, people have campaigned. I would say I haven't been one of those people that's campaigned, because Isla was young enough that the setup that was already there didn't really bother her. I could manage, but as she's getting older now, it's sort of been getting a bit harder, and we've needed like a fully hoisted situation, and we're going into needing a fully hoisted situation. That it is literally amazing that they've now got the mobile hoist. They've got a room with an actual door, and before now you would go into a cubicle basically in the medical room. You'd use a medical bed, which you could sort of adjust high-low, but you'd have to lift the child onto that bed, or the person onto that bed, change their pads, and then obviously lift them off. Doing this with maybe 2 carers or with a curtain around you, you know. We also have a toddler, so trying to wrangle a toddler as well would just be impossible, and I can't change her without hoisting on my own. So I can change her with Jason, but I can't change her really anymore without hoisting on my own. So it's a big deal. It's a huge, and I'll tell you what, it's a massive deal. If me and I wanted to take Isla on my own, we're annual pass holders. If I ever wanted to do a little trip, just the girls, you know, me, maybe my mum, with friends or whatever, I could do that now, whereas before I couldn't. And there are a hell of a lot of single mums with disabled children. There are a hell of a lot of carers that are looking after their partner, and it's just them. it's great. It's such a great move for Disneyland Paris. It's a great move for us. I'm super excited that we've got somewhere that we can change her, and it's just basic dignity, really. At the end of the day, and I'm really happy that I can actually share this on our YouTube channel, and it'd be a video that's there that people can go to. So Disneyland Paris now has a changing space, which just is amazing in itself. Fully accessible changing space for disabled people, not a disabled toilet, fully accessible changing space, which is just brilliant. It's just so good. I'm just going to turn the alarm off there. Yeah, I'm just I'm really poorly actually, but I'm really super happy. I'm really super thankful